I've been at the Starbucks for like 4 hours. I'm probably going to be here for like 2 more hours though. I'm completing my study guide for my exam that I have to take tomorrow and I'm really nervous. I'm taking a break in the bathroom to vlog and talk. I just parked. I'm on campus right now. I have to go to the UCF testing center to take my exam and I'm really nervous. I studied again this morning, like went over the study guide and everything and reviewed it again. But this is my first time taking an exam in the study center, in the testing center. So wish me luck.
Basic resin, amino acid, and aceton. Again, slight baking with 10.
And it was so scary because it's too late to do.
Plasmic reticulum. The initial folding of the class 1, the proteasome degrades proteins within the cytosol of the cell to produce short peptides, which are then transformed into many peptides, and allows peptides that are initially too long to bind to the MHC molecules.
This had key lime. I was like,
Holiday.
Currently taken over the UCF bathroom and we're taking
photos. We were studying here together for like
2 hours.
2 hours and now we're done.
Fun time! Oh! Okay.
I got this package delivered yesterday. It's from yesstyle and I'm just gonna unbox it on camera. Also today when I was walking on campus, a girl said she liked my shirt, which means she likes TXT because this is a TXT shirt. But anyways, live reaction. Wow, that's so dangerous. I cut my scissors into the package. Guys, I'm so aggressive. Why did I do that with my scissors? I hope it didn't ruin it. These are all from their coats and jackets campaign. I got to pick my clothing items I wanted. First, I'm gonna open this one that I hope I didn't actually cut the material. I got this brown varsity style jacket. Second item is this top. I literally have a top that looks kind of like so similar, like this, from Korea. I'm regretting this. I should have gone white because it looks just like the one I have. How cute. It's this leather button shirt jacket. Ooh, asymmetrical bolero. I got in the color green for fall season. Got this bunny top. Super cute. It feels so nice. This navy blue baby tee. And my last item, it's another bolero in black. this type of knitting, this type of style. Those are all the items I got from yesstyle. Thank you yesstyle for sending me these. Also, if you want to shop off of yesstyle, you can use my code for money off. My code is AVA1111. Use it for money off, please use it. For today, I think I'm done with my assignments, like doing my assignments and studying. I'll just continue again tomorrow, so see you tomorrow. Hello, good morning, good afternoon. It's like 12 something. Today is going to be my last study day. It's not even going to be technically a study day. I completed all of my quizzes, all of my exams, but I still have some assignments that are due this week, like a paper and discussions. I always feel more productive when I don't do my work in my room and instead like I go outside to a cafe or even on campus. Today I'm going to a cafe and my roommate is already there, so I'm gonna meet up with her and we're gonna do our work together. And I'm wearing my top from yesstyle that I unboxed. This necklace is from Forever 21 and this bracelet is from a boutique in Korea in Suwon. Let's go.